Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout where I will be improving my programming capabilities. 5 minutes of typing and then 25 of JUnit again. Okay, well, let's get into it. Typing.io. Maybe without the typos. Let's improve my typing. Scala, okay. So we start the clock and start typing. Danger star. Thank you. Director. Iterator. Left. Remaining. Well, sizes if total left. CS incomplete. Else sizes incomplete. Left. Done. Okay, what is the result? Bum bum bum. I wonder how the audio is on this one. Okay, let's keep at it. And I'm over the time limit, so we will close this, but I think I have open, yep. Here we go. And we can go to our JUnit playground, and I'm in writing test chapter. Okay, so I'll stop the typing timer and start the JUnit timer, and we are going to writing tests somewhere. Or running. Oh, that was 2 writing tests. Oh, I will be writing for so long time without running it, that doesn't make sense to me. Well, anyway, we can test that. Okay, so we have that. I have some calculator and the example. Oh, so maybe I will go to the other object. Source main Java example project, and we do have a calculator here indeed. Okay, so we'll try that. There's Java example project calculator test. Oh, here we go. Can we run it? Doesn't look like I can run it. Project SDK is not defined. 13. Okay. Does that help? Pum, pum, pum. Okay, maybe I need to do something else. Like there we have CD. Which one it is? Jupyter J extensions starter even. Okay, there. And we will run here what? Dun dun dun. What do I do here? Okay, maybe I go to running test. Delete idea. Okay, yeah. Then I what? We have those things, and then we have like those dependencies. And what? Do I do something with it, or you might need to include corresponding versions of the JUnit in the jars in the class path. Configure show gather icons, no gather icons, no run. That's not nice. Cannot really run it. Oh, the Maven is not even here. Maybe I opened it incorrectly. Maybe I should open just this guy as a project, probably. Okay, so we will do open and try that. Da, 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 da. Say okay, and this window. Let's see what happens. It's resolving dependencies, that's good, I guess. Let's have a look in here if we can run the tests. Okay, maybe I do want to flatten the folders. Compact middle packages. Here we go. What if I use this? It will show? Yeah, it will show, okay. And now it looks much better. Actually, run. That kind of works, but maybe, just maybe, I want to know how to create it from scratch. You know, like configure all, everything. If I create my new project, I would like to know how to do it, right? Error running. Okay, so we have some error. Could not find something. So what is that? Do I have to run this guy? What does it do? No, 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 no. Okay, and here is this Maven command line, which is what I run in Windows, I suppose. Apache software, Maven start Bash script. Oh, I will try that. There, I'm in the right place, right? Okay, so we will Maven wrapper.cmd go. Should do something, right? Build failure. Okay, do we have a Maven here? We do. Okay, so we will try to do here. We do this guy. Okay, that worked. Now we do compile. Why are those lines here? I wonder. Well,
we have something in here. So maybe I will be even able to run this. I'm just guessing here, to be honest. I don't know. Does it do anything? Doesn't look like it does anything. Error running, blah blah blah, and I cannot even click on it. That's dandy. What is this? Install. Oh, it's running tests. Now it worked. So now I can run it? Or I just have to run it from here. Bum 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 bum. If I do this. That kinda works. Okay, let's have a look in the POM file, which I could do here. POM. It's really slow for some reason, and we have a Jupyter. Here they have the properties. Surefire plugin, compiler plugin. Yeah, I don't know what those are. That's awesome. Show checks is maybe later. No. I want to close it. Yeah. And this guy over here, that just runs fine. And yeah, maybe I want to create it from scratch in my another project, so I will be wiser a little bit. So, oh, what you're doing? I don't want a project structure. I want, oh, if I press enter, just open the project structure. Why? If I press here, the enter, interesting. Here's the source files, main, tests. Yeah, so those are tests. Oh, that was green before. Cancel. Okay. And that is what? Bum, 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 bum. We'll have a look in here, and we have a COM example project. And then we have calculator test, which is, oh, that is the test. I want the main Java. Come example, here's target. What are those? I have no idea. Okay, so we have this. That is pretty simple. We can put it in there as well. Com example project. And if we go into mine, I can go to here, and here I can say I will create class, and it will be dot slash, and it was calculator. I cannot do that. Why not? What about this? Okay, I want to create package first then, and that was example. Oh, I know why. Go back. Alt I, Java class, com example project, and those will be slashes, and it will be calculator. Not valid. Well, that's unfortunate. So we will create a package then. Package. That works. We also want to flatten the compact. What is the difference between flatten and flatten is weird. What if I say compact? Height, empty middle, abbreviate. So I uncheck that. Then I can say compact. But if I have a flatten, I have abbreviate and so on. So abbreviate. Okay. Turn off the flatten and we will do compact. Okay. And here I will create the class. And in here we will say calculator. Oh, great. It took only forever. Yeah, and we will be adding everything. And here will be public and add. It takes int A and B, and in the body will return A plus B, like so. Okay. Maybe I can leave it like so. Then we want to create a test, so that was Control Shift E, I think. Create a new test, and testing library is that, yep. Class name, calculated test, superclass, nothing. Before, show inherited, and we will generate method for that. 1. So where are we? We are in the right place. You are awesome, my friend. And how do I name them? It was the tests. There was a display name. Oh wow, adds 2 numbers. Assert. Ah, nice. Here's assert equals, and then you have like another things in there. Well, we'll try that. So we say test, and we will do the same thing. 1 plus without the space, plus on should equal to 2, and I need to find out what's happening with my monitor as well. I'm worried about my graphics card. We will see. So this one, and we will say here is not expect, here is assert. Okay, and we need to create a calculator. Okay, so new calculator, and yeah, let's keep it at that. Then we will say we will call it with arguments, and we will assert maybe big A, or is it small a? Small. Assert equals. Here we go, and we will make it nicer, and we can have a look into the parameters because of the force. So expected, actual, and there's a nullable string message. So we will do that. So expected will be 2, actual will be calculator dot add, and we will put in 1 and 1, and our message will be what? Oh, come on. And our message will be 1 plus 1 shall be 2. And what is eating my CPU? It's really slow. Can have a look. Sees systems idea. I don't know. It kind of works, so we'll leave it. And we can use the display name, right? They are using display name. Display name. Oh, cool. And we will say 1 plus 1 equals 2. And yeah, let's create git ignore. Why not? We'll keep it empty for the time being, and we will go back to our test. Now let's try to run it and see. It does something. Okay. Error. Release version 5 not now. What? Release version 5 not supported in build. Maybe I don't have the configuration in here, or what do I do? I will look in the Maven. Look here, and here we have a little site. So I will try to run it from here, because that was working in the other, in the second project. Here's some warnings. Option 5 is no longer support. Use 7 or later. File encoding. Okay. Compiler. What does it mean?
Version 7 of what? The Jupyter? JUnit Jupyter? Let's have a look. Here says 560. That's the runtime. And this is Gradle. This is Maven dependencies. Um, I don't know. And well, we are over the time limit. I'm not sure what we learned. We learned that I have some problems with running the everything in here actually. Maybe I can compare the POM files of the projects, maybe. That will be it. Okay, well, anyway, I will go to the JUnit playground. We will have a look-sees in the MD file. That still holds, I believe. What is the writing tests here? And here we... Okay, so that holds, so I will commit. We will say rating tests chapter in progress, like so, and we'll commit. Also, I don't need all these things around me, and we'll push, and that will be it for this session. It's interesting indeed. It is interesting indeed. Well, this timer shows us that we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.